Hey everybody, this is Melina from ScrapbookingwithME.com and Me Crafty Scrapper here on YouTube and Instagram. I'm bringing you a very quick video today. Well, I hope it will be very quick because we are currently, as I speak, everybody else is scampering around getting things ready. I've already gotten all of my stuff ready and together and wanted to try to bring you a video today. I try my best to do 3 videos a week at least. That is my least amount of videos I try to do each week for you, and so this would be number 3 for this week. We have an event tonight. We just got finished with 3 services in a revival style camp meeting, and then we have another event tomorrow, so we are packing up, getting ready to go to our event for this evening. We have some stuff in the shop that you might not know that we have, and I love paper punches, and these are 2 new ones to us, to our shop, that we have, and it is the large leaf or branch punch, and then we have a new tab punch. Now, I know that a lot of people look for tab punches, and this one, I just love this one, and I will show you. I've already punched out some of both, and I'll show you how that come out. And then I want to show you something that is in this quarter's AJ kit. If you don't get the quarterly AJ kit, especially this quarterly AJ kit, the current one, it is one of my favorites, and Aaron picked out this paper. He saw this paper and he was like, I love that, Mama. That is so pretty. I said, well, I'm glad that you love it, because what would you say about it being in the new AJ kit? And he was like, oh, yeah, I like that one. So Ocean Blue or Blue Ocean AJ kit. If you don't have it already, you want to get it. I think we've only got like 3 or 4 left. I'll try to leave the link in the description box below. If you follow that link and it says sold out, they're all sold out. I'm sorry, but we should have 2 or 3 still left as of when this video uploads. The tab punch. Now, when you punch this one, I was trying to find my T-square ruler, and I went ahead and just knocked over a stamp block. Oh, there it is, in the floor. Okay, when you punch this tab punch, and there is no trying to fold it over, which I love my other tab punch. I love this tab punch, but there's no folding over on this one. It punches the entire thing out, then you fold it over yourself. So see, on this one, remember, you have to fold the paper over and put it in to get the double-sided tab. This one is not like that, and I love it. So with this, you get a tab that is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is almost, no, it's just over 1 1/4. But, you know, you're going to fold it over. So it's just over 1 1/4 inches. And then from long tab to long tab on the bottom, you got almost 2 inches. Almost 2 inches. So great size to add to your, the tops of your tickets, the tops of your tags, the tops of your journal pages. Look at those, how pretty. To set you a tab out here, and then maybe put a little word label on there. These are the cutest tabs, and they could not be easier to punch out. So these are from EK Tools, and they are called the large punches. And I'm going to punch out, I just have a bunch of this paper, so we're just going to punch out another one. Most all of those were from this paper. I want to get that rose in there, so we're going to punch. Look, see how easy that was? And you got plenty of room to do more. Then all you do is fold over there. And then I like to hold that down and then get my bone folder and just crease it along the top. Now, if you're just using paper, you don't have to do that. It's not going to be that thick, so you won't have to do that. And then ink your edges, and it's ready to go on to your pages. So a good scrap buster there, using your scraps with those paper punches. And then we have the large leaf or branch punch. Now, if you get over to the shop and these are sold out, don't worry, we have more on order. We did our first batch order and y'all loved them. So we have reordered and reordered a large quantity. So just be patient with us. We'll get them back in. I love these punches. So you get this little 5 branch or 5 leaf branch punch. Very cute. So we're looking at about 2.5, just a little under 2.5, and then its widest part is about 1 3/4. Great size. I love that. And easy to punch out. So let me find a piece that is, oh, this would be pretty. Look at that, how pretty. Very easy to punch out. Your little stem doesn't get stuck. Very pretty punch. And then what I love to do with these types of punches is make my own little template. So that was some that I'd punched out earlier, and I made myself a template and inked with that template. Okay, so there is that piece that I just punched out here. So here's the negative of it. I'll get my Forest Moss ink pad, the oxide, and just hold this in place. And I mean, if you go off the edges like I did on that one, I like that. I would cut that out in a little rectangle and use that on a journal page. So quick, it would make your head spin. I love that. The more natural looking and homemade looking it is, the more I like it. Now, you can use either the flat foams on your mini ink blender, or you can use the dome foams like I have on here. Might be even a little easier, so I'm going to mix these and do some walnut stain and some Forest Moss. Cute. Do a little bit more Forest Moss. And then the big reveal. Look at that, how pretty. I love it. So you can make all kinds of different colors if you wanted to. Then what you could do is, if you didn't have a pattern paper or something in your scraps that you could use with that punch, then you could use the negative wherever you have punched it, and then you could actually punch those out if you wanted to. Use the punch and cut that out, and you could color this any color you wanted to. You could punch that out, or just cut it out in a nice little triangle, or you could even tear it. Ooh, that would be even prettier. Let me go ahead and cut that, and then you could tear it along the edges. This is that beautiful handmade paper I got from Mom. I'm not sure where she got it, if someone gifted it to her or what, but it is like, it's a little thicker than mulberry paper to me anyway. Oh, I love that. Yes. Get it nice and torn on the edges, and then add it to your journal pages. I mean, look at that, how pretty. Ink the edges. Love it. Okay, So that's how I would use those 2 punches. And like I said, if you get to the shop and those 2 punches say sold out, be patient with us. We will get another shipment in, and they will be in this next week. Alright, and lastly, this is the die cut pack. You get the entire die cut pack in this AJ kit. And this alone, not counting the other items you get, all the paper that you get, all the book pages that you get, there's a Wink of Stella brush tip pen in there. There is a little mini stamp pad. There's trim of some kind in there. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in this current AJ kit. And this alone, I mean, y'all should feel the packages were like 1.9 pounds this time for the AJ kit. Craziness. Look at these beautiful doilies. This is a 49 in Market die cut pack, and it is from the Vintage Artistry Teal Ephemera. It is gorgeous, and it goes right along. Look at that little reel. It goes right along with our paper that we're using. So that's a worn piece, like you could fold it up if you wanted to and add it to a pocket. Look at these envelopes. They already look worn. Too cute. I love these things. So this is the die cut pack. Look at that. And it's a little thicker. It's not like paper. So you could use these as pockets, some of these pieces as pockets in your AJ journal that you make. Too pretty. I was sitting here trying to think of what else comes in the AJ kit. There's so much other stuff that I can't even remember all the stuff that's in this newest AJ kit. He did really good helping me pick out everything that's going in there. Now look at these little tabs that's in there. I just love this. Love it, love it, love it. Those. And the little labels. More tabs. Look at those little tickets. Cute. Let's go over the rest of this. Look at all of it that comes in it. Okay, that's already torn for you. Could be a pocket or a tuck on a page. Look at that. I'm already seeing that as a tuck. Just gluing down those 3 sides and using that side as the tuck and letting this hang out over the edge of your page a little bit. Ooh, love it. And, you know, I love teal too, so. Oh, I remember. You get these little bronze looking charms, and I think they are nautical related. And then you get these little sea glass bling, but they're flat back, so you can add them to like the cover of your journal or something like that. They're so pretty. Oh, a whole bottle of acrylic paint that matches everything. See, I told you I'd remember some of the rest of the stuff, and that's still not all. I can't remember everything. We've been so busy. Oh my goodness. And my favorite piece out of that whole die cut pack. Is that not cute? Love it. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little tease of one thing that was in the AJ kit, this current AJ kit. This is for March 2022. If you're watching this video years and years in the future. This is March 2022. We have an AJ kit each quarter. And that is March, June, July, August, September, and December. So March, June, September, and December. And we have sign-ups available so that you can subscribe to the quarterly AJ kit. And you would only be charged in those 4 months for 4 kits a year for the AJ kit. And then, of course, we also have the monthly e-club kit too, and I will leave links to both of those kit sign-ups in the description box below. along with links to these paper punches and the AJ kit that is currently available, if we have any left. It should only be like 2 or 3, I promise you, but hurry up and get over there. Y'all have a great day. That's it. That's all I got time for. I hear everybody ready to go to the car. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Bye, y'all.